Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be styling winter 2023 trends and then just also some trends from my 2023 predictions. I was going to do two separate videos for this. They kind of overlap, so I just thought why not put it all into one. Some of them are a little bit more out there to you guys, but to me they feel just cute and fun. I've been wearing these kind of clothes every single day, so I'm excited to just kind of play dress up. Obviously, I still don't have full access to my wardrobe because I'm not the same size I was before, and my hair is wet because Lucy's like trying to get put down for a nap right now, and a blow dryer is too loud. That's all. Let's get into it. Lainey, where are your pants? That's one of the trends. So I actually think like the all black tights look with like black underwear or whatever you decide to put on, like super short shorts. I don't have those, so I've just been using like my period underwear, which just means my like big grandma underwear, and it honestly works. And then we've also got the off the shoulder top. The last time I styled this, that video's not up, but I did it with knee-high heeled boots and like black knee-high heeled boots, and I kind of want to try it with kitten heels, so let's try two options. So I've got two shoe options right now. I thought the blue could be fun to break it up, but I'm kind of just liking the black super low kitten heel, which I didn't think I would. I thought it'd make me look stubby. Maybe if I had like a gray sock to break up the black with the heel, that would work with the blue heel. And then if I did no socks, the black heel, let's try adding a sock. And then also because my jacket's black, I think if I did the blue shoes, I'd want to do like a colored bag. Like I think a pop of red bag with these blue shoes would be really fun with this all black outfit. But if I do the black shoes, we'll see. I don't have a red bag yet. Okay, so here is the outfit without the jacket on. It's definitely bold and a statement, and I don't know, I think if I had black higher heels I'd like it a little better, but I don't. These are the only kind of black heels I have, surprisingly, so we're gonna make do. It's very French girl feeling. Maybe if I add a belt too. Let's add accessories and see how this goes. See, now it just feels like a jumpsuit, or like I have a really short skirt on and you can't see it. Don't like the sunglasses because I want it to be like a night out look. Do we like the belt? I almost don't think we need it. It like breaks it up in a way I don't want it to. Yeah, I think that looks so much better. So here is trend. This is my fur jacket that was actually my grandma's. So the most sustainable thing is the thing you already have in your closet. It's also the thing that's already in your grandma's closet. And then we have the off-the-shoulder top that is thrifted, but it's originally from Express. We have my underwear on, and then these little tights are just from like CVS or something, and they're honestly so good. They've never torn or anything. Probably just jinxed that. My earmuffs are from Amazon. I got them last year. Birkin bag is from eBay or Etsy. I can never remember because I've linked so many for you guys. And then I thrifted these little kitten heels. Like, it doesn't look that weird when it's an all black outfit. And if you don't like the underwear thing, you just add a mini skirt. But I don't know, I kind of like it. What do you guys think? Let's do another fur outfit, but a lot more toned down and I think wearable, for me at least. Okay, I know that this one's not going to be everyone's cup of tea. I seriously love it so much. This is such a comfortable outfit for me and something that I gravitate towards a lot. I think the cheetah print jacket still falls into like the fur jacket territory, and I know a lot of us have cheetah print jackets from when they were trending in like, what, 2018? This one's actually from Target of all places, and I got it in 2018. It was the only place I could find the like length and type of cheetah print that I like, or leopard print, whatever you want to call it. We'll have a debate about that. I need a bag. Cool. We're knocking out a lot of trends with this outfit. So again, the cheetah print, my favorite way to wear it is in a really toned down way because I feel like it just gives like a new life to cheetah print. So the cheetah print, sorry if you can hear Lucy, the cheetah print is from Target, like I said, forever ago. This is just like a Hanes white t-shirt. We've got my Prada messenger bag, which is another trend that I talked about. I've been wearing it every single day. It's just so good and so practical. These Adidas track pants, thrifted. And then I've got my yellow Onitsuka Tigers, and I feel like it makes the outfit so freaking cool. Adding like the yellow with all this just craziness. It ties it all together. And then my sunglasses are from Vela. I can actually link some of this stuff down below for you guys. Yeah, I really, really like this outfit. This is definitely a more practical way for me of wearing fur. And I'm not like layering a ton because normally, like last year, I would have put a sweater and a sweatshirt under. I am so hot all the time. I don't know if my hormones are still just insane, but I don't need all the layers right now. I was gonna do a freezing like winter outfits video, but I honestly don't think I can get through it. I would die. Okay, here's another one that I don't think people will like. And those are always my favorite. So this is like underwear as pants trend, boxers, which you guys know I've already been wearing boxers as pants for so long just because I like pajamas as pants. We've got my riding boots, which is another trend I talked about, and then fleece, which is another trend I talked about. So we are just the trendiest girl right now. Wait, I need my purse. And a freaking messenger bag. Will she ever stop? Fleece is actually my boyfriend's. I got it for him 2 Christmases ago. It's from the brand Pleasures, and I've been stealing it. When I was pregnant, I started stealing it because it was like the only jacket that fit over my 9-month pregnant belly. But now I'm just like, then these little boxer shorts are actually real shorts. They're gingham and vintage Nike. If you guys have been following me for a minute, you've seen these a million times. And then the riding boots are actually from Abercrombie. I got them for Christmas. And then the Prada messenger bag. Again, a very chill outfit. And this, you could add fleece line tights with it, obviously. But again, I'm running so hot that if it's like at least 40 degrees outside, I can last in shorts like all day outside. I'm so sweaty. Here we've got another little fleece moment paired with these gingham pants that I thrifted. This fleece is from H&M. If it's still on the website, I can try and link it for you guys, but I don't think it is. Then shoes, I'm debating between tennis shoes and my moon boots. I think moon boots might be a little bit too much. Not the Inukis. Kind of thinking black Sambas or loafers. Let's do black loafers. No, I hate it. So the gingham pants can quickly make it look summery. So I feel like adding black accessories really helps, especially since I went with such a light like polar fleece like this. If I did like a black jacket, I wouldn't have to do all black accessories in my head. So I feel like the earmuffs really help, even though they're tennis shoes. Just the fact that they're all black really helps. And then black messenger bag. So Adidas Sambas, Amazon, Prada, H&M, thrifted. Cute. Okay, so cuff jeans were another trend that I talked about in my winter 2023 trends or 2022 trends video. So here are my jeans cuffed. So when I talk about this trend, I mean a big wide pair of jeans. This dark blue is definitely my favorite right now. They're from Uniqlo, and then we've got my Onitsuka Tigers and lace, which is another trend I talked about, and mostly winter lace. So when I want to wear lace in the winter time, it can again look summery pretty quickly. So I think pairing it with darker colors is a good way to go. And then I wanted to dress it down, and I think with the yellow sneakers, it just looks really, really fun. So obviously I'm not going to go out without a jacket on, so I think I want to pair the fur jacket with this and maybe like a fun bag. I had to pull these jeans down a lot to make them like long enough to be folded. I'm 5'7", so I'm pretty tall, I don't know. But I think if you're shorter and your jeans are like just always too long on you, before you get them hemmed or whatever, cuffing them like this for a minute will just be like a fun look. So I like that a lot. But for me, it's like I just don't really need to cuff my jeans because they're basically just long enough, not cuffed. But let's put on a fur jacket. Okay, and then adding the basket bag is really, really fun. See, I didn't want to show it like this to begin with because you just end up not seeing the lace. But this is another example of just, you know, like a plain fur jacket, really dressed down. I think that this is such a cute look. I wish I was going places this winter because I just have like so many cute outfits that I'm not wearing because I don't do anything besides walk Lucy and Ernie and sit in my house and breastfeed. How cute. I realized I didn't show any outfits with a maxi coat, and the maxi coat is definitely a giant trend this winter and for next year as well. So I just swapped out the fur jacket for this black trench coat that I thrifted, and I think it's a lot more toned down. People really like it. I also really like, not people will really like it, I think you guys will also like this one if you don't like fur especially. And I feel like I just wore the fur jacket too much, but I just love it, and it's so cool that it was my grandma's. But I just love how long trench coat is. I've talked about this, but having it like literally to my ankles, and that's a little bit harder for me to find, again being 5'7", which is so dumb. This jacket was such a thrift find. I don't remember how much it was, like $14 I want to say. The collar is amazing. I love the high neck collar, not like the traditional trench coat one. And it's a wool trench, and how it hits right at the cuff jeans. Like, this outfit is so cute. I think instead of lace underneath, I'd probably do like a baggy t-shirt. Should I show that for you guys? I'll show that real quick because I only have one outfit left and it might be a bust. And there it is with just like a white baggy t-shirt. Should I add a belt too? This looks really cool though. I very much like this. And the cuff is growing on me. Maybe it's just because I want to show off my cool colored shoes. Let's add my little big belt. My big belt, not little, because that's also something we've been seeing a lot of and I've been talking about a lot. And I haven't utilized it. And there it is with the belt. Again, super, super cute. I'm just having so much fun playing with my clothes because I haven't been able to wear them in so long. It just makes me so happy that I get to like dress up again, even if it is just for a YouTube video. And right after this, I'm gonna be in my bra and underwear all day. Okay, I wanted to show you guys my thought process because I keep trying to make these capris work. And I wanted to make them work with boots. That was like, I thought that would be the best bet, but I just don't know. I tried them on with, I finally got these to zip up. These capris I thrifted. But the boots, I've tried it, these capris with black boots, and it just wasn't looking right. I don't know, there was something off. So I was like, oh, what about brown boots? But I only have these like tan colored boots. I don't have brown. I don't have anything dark brown leather because that was another trend, doing brown and black or like navy blue and black. And I don't own navy blue or brown, but I really like that whole trend. So I can't show that one. But I was like, oh, I'll do like this tan and that will kind of be close to it, but I just don't know if I like the tan boot either. I'm kind of liking the little tiny kitten heel. It's definitely colder, but I think on a warmer winter day, or if you're going to like drinks or just out to dinner, you could get away with it in the winter. So I'm gonna show it with the little kitten heels, and that's why. I just know so many people don't like the capri trend, so I just want to show you guys some different shoe options. I think in the summertime, wearing it with like an open toe slingback kitten heel will be absolutely adorable. I'm excited, and then I wanted to try it with these. If I had a black pair of pointed toe slingbacks like this, I would do that, but I only have this teal pair. Like, I think, again, that will be a really, really cute look, but we're gonna stick with the ballet flat kind. I don't know why the heat just turned on more, but here it is without the jacket first I wanted to show you. So here's another lace top. This one I thrifted, and I'm actually wearing it backwards. It's a like scoop neck, and I don't really like how scoop necks look on me, especially right now when I'm a little fuller up top from breastfeeding. I like high neck tops. I think they're just a lot more flattering. So it's definitely been like a learning curve dressing my new body, but that sounds weird. We've got the big buckle moschino belt. Again, these capris I thrifted for like $3 or $4. So even though I'm not like 100% convinced that I like them yet, I'm glad I have them just to play around with, play dress up in. And you know, I think I will like them in the summertime, wearing them more with a summery shoe. I just kind of wanted to play with them, like I said. Maybe one of you guys will really like this outfit, or you all will hate it. Birkin basket, little shoes, and then I think I want to do a fur jacket because I think the long trench will cover too much. But I'm debating between the cheetah jacket or just the black one. If I do the cheetah jacket, I'll do a different purse. No, we're gonna do the black one. We've got a lot going on. And here it is with the jacket. I don't know, I think it's cute. I like it with the jacket. So I'm excited to see how we'll try and style this in the spring and summertime. You guys already knew I was like so excited to start pairing my fur, my Birkin basket. So like, don't even be surprised by this video, or I know you aren't surprised. This outfit is really, really cute. I like it. Is it wrong that I like it so much? Oh my gosh, very cute. I like it now. Let me know what you guys think of all of these in the comments. I'm gonna number them so you can like actually talk about each outfit individually, because I love hearing your guys' commentary. Because sometimes, is it lack of sleep? Is it that it's so hot in here? Is it that I'm talking to myself? I might be delusional on these outfits. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.